In this fourth and final practice for hunger awareness, we explore urges to eat that aren't from the body. Urges like cravings or habits, or the thoughts, emotions, and situations that trigger these urges. It's just like the first practice for this process of hunger awareness, but we'll be attentive to these other urges to eat throughout the day instead of physical hunger. Using the same chart from that first practice, we'll check in with ourselves and we'll ask ourselves, how do I feel? How strong is my desire to eat? What thoughts, emotions, or situations are present? Am I craving a particular kind of food? We'll use a modified hunger awareness scale to rate how strong we're feeling cravings or our emotions or situations or thoughts. You'll recall from the core mindfulness sessions that these are all parts of the circle of awareness. Being aware of our urges to eat is a lot like being aware of stress through the circle of awareness. By practicing this awareness, we are separating the body's need for food from the mind's desire for eating. Being aware of these urges is especially important because we often do eat when we aren't hungry. If we struggle with a particular craving, bread, for example, we'll repeat this practice separately for these foods, modifying our chart. Again, our approach to building this awareness is with curiosity and acceptance. We don't label these urges as good or bad. We let ourselves be with them without trying to push them away and without reacting to them. Thanks for joining me for this session of mindfulness training. And check out the other sessions as well, and also the companion resources that I've put together to help you explore and enjoy the benefits of mindfulness.